The Nike Alphafly 3 continues to sit at the top tier of performance running shoes, blending elite technology with bold visual energy. This latest multicolor edition brings a fresh look that stands out while staying race-ready. The upper starts in orange pulse and smoothly fades into black, giving the shoe a dynamic gradient effect. The midsole adds even more personality, mixing orange pulse, hot pink, and purple dynasty for a clean but aggressive finish. Underfoot, electric green and hot pink details on the outsole and insoles complete the design. Beyond the looks, this is still a true marathon super shoe. It features a responsive ZoomX midsole, a full-length carbon fiber flyplate, dual forefoot air zoom units, and a breathable AtomKnit 3.0 upper. Weighing around 218 grams with an 8mm drop, it is built for speed and efficiency. The Nike Alphafly 3 is expected to release in spring-summer 2026 with a retail price of $305.